In this video, I'll be showing you how to allow file transfer to PC with USB on Pixel phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is go ahead and connect your phone via a USB-C cable, preferably to your PC. And then once you have your Android phone connected, all you got to do is go onto your phone and go to USB charging options and switch it to verify that it's you and make it that it's transferring files. So then what you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and open up your File Explorer application and then just wait for your phone to appear right here. Then once it's connected and it's shown and you have, like it's on the transferring files thing and it's not just like, going ahead and charging, then what you got to go ahead and do is go over and open up this on your page. So if it goes away, make sure that the wire is firmly connected and then go ahead and open it up. You're going to see your internal storage and how much space is left. Now, if you want to transfer videos from your phone, then let's just say I want to go over to movies. It's going to show me anything that is currently on it. And then all I got to do is I can just drag and drop it to my desktop so it goes over to my PC. Now, if I want to do pictures, just go over to pictures and then I can see any different images I have over here. And if there was anything from a screen recorder that I've used, it's going to be over there as well. I can even go in DCIM, look in camera. So if things I've taken from my camera, they're going to be right here as well. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it.